All right, so welcome to the Thursday session with your host Akash. If you like the content that we put out on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Go to the FXStreet YouTube channel here and hit the subscribe button. Also click the bell icon to be notified of the content that we put out. And if you like what I do, you can follow me on Twitter at Mangyako with a zero at the end. I put a lot of technical stuff, trades that I take, that kind of stuff. So today we're going to be talking about ALGO or Algorand. And I just want to, I just want to let you know that this coin, this wick that you see here, it was a massive wick. It was basically a pump and dump that happened on an announcement. I'm not sure what that was. But the chart kind of looks awful with this wick on, so we're going to ignore that. So if I zoom out a little bit, as you can see, there's been a lot of lows here. So after 21st September, these lows have not been swept. And ever since then, we've been seeing a slightly uptrend, right? Which is finally this down move that we saw here undid or collected the liquidity resting below this, and these lows down here. And we kind of got a retest of this demand zone here. So I think we're pretty much safe right now, but I would still be keeping a close eye on this zone here, which ranges from 1.49 to 1.56, right? So we might get a dip below this into this area before we actually go anywhere, so that's the first thing that I want to point out. And the second thing is, so I'm measuring this upswing here, ignoring this massive wick here. And I'm getting this range right now, and so far the price seems to be holding up pretty good at 70.5 fib at 1.72. It's not reached 79 fib here, so I think it should be pretty good. So what I'm expecting right now is either we continue this reversal that seems to be happening here. So we have high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and then we have another lower high. But as for the lows, there's low, 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 lower low, lower low, lower low. And right now we've got a higher low. This is a first of its kind. So what I'm expecting is if we do get a higher high, then I'm expecting Algorand to sweep above the range highs, right? And this is a pretty good trade. Like it's a good 13% upswing, 15% upswing. And if I were to trade this, I would do something like this. Keep my stop loss somewhere around here. So this is a good 1.65 trade. Nothing too shabby. I would take this trade. But I'm not quite sure if I should extend my targets up to 1.62 because of this demand zone here and the liquidity that has still been uncollected down here. So I'm also expecting a sweep into this area. So I'm not sure if it's going to happen after we get a sweep up with the range high. So I'm just going to wait out, see what's going to happen. So that's my take on algo, right? So if we do get a sweep of this liquidity pool here ranging from 1.49 to 1.56, then I would definitely be looking to long here. Take my profits, a small bit of the profits off at this range high at 2.02, and then leave the rest for 2.28, right? This is my outlook on Algorand. So keep a lookout for the liquidity zones.